Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios. Today is Black Friday. I got so excited by painting that canvas black that I forgot to fill up my cups first. These are leftover pour cups from something last week, and I like the color so I didn't toss it. That wild sound you hear in the background is my neighbor's rescued bird cage, and it's huge. And she has dozens of parrots and cockatoos and all kinds of weird birds. So I thought I'd leave it in. Okay, I guess I'm doing a double flip cup today. So I may have put some silicone or some rosemary oil in this, but I can see that it's not detaching from the bottom quickly, so there's not much. Birds and traffic are the sounds in my studio on the porch. Crisscross double flip cup. So it's Black Friday, and the last thing that I want to do is go to the store and spend money. They tell you if you go to the store, you will save, but you have to spend money to save. So it sounds like one of those scams to me. You know, where they get you online. Send me this much money and we'll save you money. I barely put enough paint on this canvas. Barely. Well, by staying home and painting instead of going out and driving and spending money, I turned Black Friday into Colorful Friday. There is a little red bird in the midst of all of this colorful chaos. And this is how I feel this holiday season. There are some pretty serious things going on in my family right now, and you'll hear about some of it in the future. So this painting actually reflects my unspoken state. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you soon in the next video.